from HTS, and I wanted to come on today to talk to you guys about our new fall bundle pack that we put together. And it is including some of our new fall designs and some of our Halloween designs that I have up here for you guys, and some solids. It is a bundle pack of 14 sheets. All the sheets are size 12 by 12, and it is all of our permanent adhesive vinyl, which is great because it works with a lot of the pumpkins that you guys have been working on, a lot of the tumblers and glassware that you guys have been sharing with us in the group. So we wanted to make sure that we could offer a fall Halloween bundle that could go with a lot of the projects that you guys are working on. So I just wanted to come on and kind of go over with you guys what's included, go over some of the projects that I worked on to show you guys how the patterns look. And then two, we also talk about our new fall bundle in October's issue of Craft Talk, which was emailed out this week. So you guys want to make sure you're checking your emails. Deborah did a great job. She put in some really good tips and tricks, and then she does a little blurb about the fall bundle with a little something. So make sure you guys are checking it out. You don't want to miss out. The fall bundle, like I said, is a total of 14 sheets. It does have the Halloween patterns. It's got 3 of our fall patterns that include different shapes, and then some harvest time, and then some of these little flags which look really great once you guys get your design out there on your Cricut. And then 2, I included 2 camo patterns as we've got Veterans Day coming up in November, and you guys are starting to work on some military stuff that I saw, which looks great. I did more of the traditional green and then the orange and red camo as it kind of goes along with the fall colors. And then 2, I included 4 solids. I did the black, the lime tree green, the pastel orange, and then the purple, as I thought that these 4 colors really tied well with a lot of the patterns in the bundle. The bundle is a total retail over $50, but the special price on our website is $29.99. So it's a great savings. You're getting a lot for your money, and you don't want to miss out. So there are a few of you already that have bought this special bundle pack, and I definitely want to see what you guys are working on. So if you want to leave me a comment below and say, hey Amy, I already bought this pack, I'm happy to reach out to you. Or you guys can shoot me a message and we can see what you guys are working on, because I would love to feature your projects. So a few things that I did work on to show you guys how the patterns and solids look together is, first one was I took our 12-ounce tumbler that we have on our website. These do come in 3 sizes, the 8-ounce, the 12-ounce, and the 18-ounce, which they're all right behind me here. But I chose to do the 12-ounce one here in the silver, and I just put pumpkin spice lover, and then I took this pattern here and did the little latte cups just to have it pop a little bit more with a pattern. Then I did go to the Dollar Tree and pick up a few things as you guys were showing some wine glasses that you were working on, and also too some buckets. Some of you guys were getting ready for your kids' Halloween parties at school. So I thought that I would use some of the same things that you guys were working on. So I got one of these wine glasses that they have, and I did the drink up witches with our skull pattern, which is right over there. This one here was kind of with like the creepy claw on the plastic wine glass, more booze please, and I did it in the solid so it wouldn't take away from the creepy hand. And then I also did our 18-ounce tumbler with the green camo print here in more of a dog tag, proud veteran. So it's pretty simple designs as I'm still a newbie and I'm learning a lot, but I thought that the green camo really popped on the tumbler silver. And then 2, this one would look great on the red tumbler if you guys wanted to check that out. For the buckets, I just did, again, just little cute messages. I'm just here for the candy, and I did a mix of the solids and the pattern for Halloween. And then this one here to see what would really pop on the black. I did do the trick or treat pattern, even though the background is black and then the bucket is black, but the little candies really do stick out well. I did the name Parker for my friend's daughter. And then I did some of the solids. I did some spiders, I did some witches hats, and then a witch underneath her name there. And then I also got on the pumpkin bandwagon. You guys have been doing some really great projects with these pumpkins from Michael's, so I wanted to see how our patterns would turn out. So the first one I did was I got an orange pumpkin, and I did our harvest time pattern here. and I just did autumn time, and it does look a little sad next to this one without a bow, so I'm thinking like a brown burlap bow to add to this. Let me know what you guys think. And then for the white one here, I did our orange plaid, and then I did incorporate around the pumpkin a lot of the other Halloween patterns, and I did this fun witch leg. It's like a bunch of witches' legs on this bow. I got this from Michael's as well. It's a doorbuster this weekend. So I thought that that just really made it pop. So again, the first design's in our orange plaid, which is down here. And then as you turn the pumpkin, I did the different witch legs in the different Halloween patterns, and then also the solids to kind of break it up, just so you can kind of get a feel for all the different patterns that are included in this bundle. So this was some inspiration. I saw someone do the witches in, hers had like floral coming out of the pumpkin. It was very well done. Mine's a little bit more basic, but that's okay. Just kind of learning too. So as I said, everything with these pumpkins, all the patterns really pop. I know you guys have been doing a lot of personalization with the last names, or you guys are doing some fall sayings. So definitely show me what you guys are working on. It's really interesting to see what you guys are doing with the pumpkins. I love every single one of them. Also too, just a little bit for the newbies out there, if you haven't worked with the pumpkin, the adhesive sticks on really well, but if you do see it coming up a little bit in a groove, you can take your scraper or your finger and just kind of press it in there. And I mean, it sticks really well. I have another one at home. It's been out on my front porch, and you know, with the different weathers changing here in Chicago, no issues. So again, if it does come up a little bit, just push down on it. Michael's actually has a little tag on their bins at the store, kind of giving you some tips and tricks too. So I thought that was really nice of Michael's, as these are very popular. So that is our fall bundle. Let me know what you guys think of it, as we've got over 200 new patterns on our website. We've got lots of options for you guys. You can get it in the HTV, or you can get it in the adhesive. So if you guys are liking these bundles that we're putting together for you, leave me some comments. We've got a lot coming up with the holidays approaching us, so if this is something you guys want to see more of, or if you have some ideas for a bundle as well, leave me some comments, shoot me a message. I'd love to hear from you guys. So let me see what you guys are working on, and I will talk to you soon. Have a great day.